Today's morning assembly. First of all, I would like to call Imran Akhtar of 12th Science for play.
Good morning everyone, get ready for play. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be what you feel. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone like my happiness. Jai Hind!
Vidyalaya Bishram!
Now I would like to call Amina Sultana of 10B for thought of the day.
Good morning everyone, I am Amna Sultana of class 10B. Today's thought: the only way to do great work is to love what you do. This thought emphasizes the importance of passion and engagement in one's work to achieve excellence. It suggests that genuine enthusiasm for the task at hand is a key ingredient to produce high quality results. I repeat, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. This thought emphasizes the importance of passion and engagement in one's work to achieve excellence. It suggests that genuine enthusiasm for the task at hand is a key ingredient to produce high quality results. Thank you, have a great day.
Thank you, Amina Sultana. Now I would like to call Samriti Das of 12th Science for poem recitation.
Good morning to all. I, Samriti Das, a student of class 12 Science, am standing here in front of you all to recite a self-composed poem. The title of my poem is Confined Wings. She spreads her wings, pretending to fly, though she knows that's a vain to try. The giant walls engulfs her, makes her in deep captivity. Only if she could flee, I'd be the happiest to see. She's a lioness in a bird cage, a bird in the deep seas. She was powerful and free, but not where she should really be. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Samriti Das. Now I would like to call Martina Dolor of 11th Science for news headlines.
Good morning to all. Today's news headlines. At first, international news. Singapore Prime Minister begins 3-day visit to India. Latin American countries to launch own AI model in September. Next, national news. Rahul Gandhi writes to Railway Minister, seeing halt at Raebareli for Rajdhani Express. Nation stands with people affected by natural calamities during monsoon. Next, regional news. Assam's Bodoland becomes first tribal council to digitize land records. Centre approves creation of new independent class of environment auditors. At last, sports news. India inches closer to final after emphatic victory. Next, FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Germany stunned by Slovakia. Messi takes Argentina to victory. Spain and Belgium win. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Martina. Now I would like to call Bandishika Nath for quiz.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's quiz contest. My first question goes to Aravali House, who is known as father of nanotechnology. I repeat, who is known as father of Indian nanotechnology? The correct answer is C.N.R. Rao. My second question goes to Nilgiri House, who is known as lady with lamp. I repeat, who is known as lady with lamp? The correct answer is Florence Nightingale. My third question goes to Shivalik House. Common cold is caused by which virus? I repeat, common cold is caused by which virus? Yes, the correct answer is rhinovirus. My fourth question is for Udayagiri House. Which poet is known as rural poet? I repeat, which poet is known as rural poet? Yes, the correct answer is Robert Frost. My fifth question is for all. In which country World Winter Games 2025 will be held? I repeat, in which country World
World Winter Games 2025 will be held? The correct answer is Italy. Thank you everyone and have a great day ahead. Thank you Bandishika Nal and thank you all for cooperation and patiently listening to us.
परम आदरणीय श्री विजय कुमार वाजपेयी जी, सहायक आयुक्त शिलोंग संभाग क्षेत्रीय कार्यालय शिलोंग, अति सम्माननीय श्री विश्वास कुमार राणा जी, प्राचार्य जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय कछार, अति माननीय श्री मनोज कुमार सिंह जी,